6672, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you. So on today's video, you saw by the thumbnail, Joe, you saw 2.8 Cressida, Toyota Cressida, Joe 2.8i. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to the review, man. Yeah, stay tuned. POV driving, and then I'll also walk around of this car. And guys, this car is for sale. Like, if you have serious coins and you really want this car is for sale. OEM, guys, 100% original. So if you have Zak, you must go to West Side Garage and they'll sell this car to you. But don't go there for Nazaga, Joe. Since when Zak, Sky adults no again Zak. No again Zaga, so I can't say anything. Marai, let's get to it. So first of all, I want to start with the exterior of the car. As you can see, you get a box. It's a box-shaped car. Because this is an old car. This is a very old car. This car was made in 1986 up until 1988. So anyway, from 1986 to 1988. So comment down below if I'm wrong. But I googled it, and I hope Google isn't lying to me. But this is a 2.8i twin cam. It's not the 3-liter. And in my honest opinion, I've never really driven a 3-liter, so I can't really say vice versa. But as I've gotten to drive this car, to me, it's perfect. This car drives so nicely for its age. Like, bruh, this car is older than me. Like, very, a lot of years older than me, because I'm turning 21 this year. So yeah, as I was saying, here's the Cressida, guys. 2.8. Don't mind me, my mood is a bit off, but I'm still gonna make a fire review of this car. As you can see, this car still has matching numbers all the way around. Like, all the windows on this car is matching. I'm expecting the windscreen isn't matching, because you know windscreen is a common thing to crack. But besides that, all the windows on this car are matching, or is matching. English, guys. As you can see, car sitting on the OEM rims. As I mentioned, this car is 100% stock. Original wheels, fresh tires. Guys, there's an E30 that I shot at Zico's garage. I'll put it up top, hopefully I remember. This car also belongs to Chopper, man. So trust me, his cars are all in good condition. So when I say if you're interested in this car, you must come with serious money. Come with serious money, because trust me, this car is worth your money. 100% uri. Let me open the engine bay. Oh, this car also goes to vendor and back, so I haven't really opened the engine bay. I don't know what to expect, but it's a driven car. It's just that it parks a lot in storage, so hopefully you'll get to see the 2.8. I hope the engine bay is clean, but I'm doubting it. It's a driving car, it drives on the road, but let's see, maybe it's a surprise. This bonnet is heavy. So yeah, as you can see, the 5M GE, guys. And as I mentioned, this car went to vendor this December, so reason why the engine bay is dirty. But as you can see, everything on this car is in order. Mint. As you can see, this car gets driven, guys. Even though you'll see her parked a lot at Zico's place, but this car actually gets driven. So now let's get to the interior. I don't want to open the boot, because the boot has a few things inside. Even though the boot is also very clean, very in place. It's just that there's cargo in the boot, so I don't want to show you guys a messy boot. And via interior, original interior on this car. Everything is original. Roof liner, seats in the rear. As you can see, guys, wear and tear. What do you expect? It's an old car. Renter, it's an old car. No cracks on the dashboard. There's something about a Cressida dashboard that I can't get over. There's just something about a Cressida dashboard. And as I was also saying, well, I didn't mention it, but original paint. So of course the car has a few, because it's an old car, what do you expect? But original paint on this car, and it's in mint condition. Just come see the car in person, and trust me, you won't be disappointed. Now let's get to let me show you the dash. Let me show you full dash. I don't know what they call it, but there's just something about a Cressida dashboard. Am I the only one, eh? But first time I drove a Cressida, like not really drive, I was just moving it. I didn't know how to take out the key. But this is where you take out the key. So like you press out this thing and the key shoots out and etc. But let me just start it up for you guys so you can hear the engine quickly. I also see the full dash. Do I want a cluster? Cluster. Let me give you a ref now. Listen. Yo. Just listen to this beauty's idol. This thing idol is lovely, buffet. So I think that this does it for the shoot, like in terms of the exterior review. I think now it's probably gonna be the POV. I'm not sure. Okay guys, so on today's video, as you can see, the Cressida already did the intro, but I'm actually doing the driving experience before the shoot. So yeah, one kick buffet, 2.8 exclusive, yeah, 2.8i actually. So let's so yeah guys, let's get to the shoot. Because I actually have a location where I want to take the cinematics of the car. But guys, big body and Scone Cressida. Actually can't wait to get to the spot to start shooting the car, take some nice pictures, review the car for you guys properly. Sure. First thing I can say, clutch, Joe. There's a reason why I love Toyotas, dog. You won't find the Toyota with a bad clutch. Trust me. You will never find a Toyota with a bad clutch. Never. So as you can see, I'm at the west side garage. I want to open the windows, man. I can't cause I just got the car washed for the shoot. Young man, Cressida. Kind of Zulu people, they love the Cressida, dog. Just hope. Yeah, this is a car for a Zulu man, not us petty guys, man. Ain't like anyone be a healer, but this is the typical car of a taxi boss, a Zulu taxi boss and stuff. It's like driving a land yard, Joe. It sounds so good. OEM, original this car. Hopefully I have enough energy to speak like the entire way. We'll see. Is it only me? But I like Cressidas and auto, guys. There's enough fuel in it. So yeah. You know, I'm used to a drop car, so every time I fit that, I'm like bam. Sexy. Ela. So I'm used to like a dropped car. This is quite comfortable, guys. 1994 when Mandela got released from jail, was picked up in a Cressida, guys. Yo, look at that weather. I hope it doesn't rain, Joe. Yo. $2.8 buffet. Drives smoothly, this car. See why I didn't want to do the driving experience in town. Actually, it's quite packed in town. Quite packed in town. But besides all that, this car's a smooth driver, Joe. Oh, it's not I can't play music, cause like I mentioned, copyright. Well, I didn't mention, but yeah. And this car is more of a cruiser, buffet. It's not a car you drive to speed, and no one. It's a cruiser. Hey, I'm fan. I really want this car, buffet. Cressida, Joe. This is a car for like a doctor or a taxi boss, like someone sophisticated. Not young man, Joe. Hurat man, Ish. If I had like a grandpa, I would buy him this car. I wouldn't waste time to buy him this car. listen to that 2.8. Yo, man. I wish like I had a mic like at the exhaust so you can actually hear this thing just sing. This thing sings lovely, Rafik. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yo, engine tone ya diga jo. But besides that, true. Clean cruiser, this car. It's not a car you want to speed in, it's more of a cruise. Like wapisanyana, you know, kala 2.8 le opela jo. Inline 6 Cressida. I think it's the 5M GE is this car's engine tunes. This thing sings nicely, yo. .8 5M, guys. Like, I'm speechless, guys, because I've been wanting to drive this car. I've been over Cressida one way or to Caravo on the Shene Mara like Rea didn't like Rea Mara Cressida or fate. At least it will know now. Don't know what's up with this serious 2.8. Couples are chilling nicely at the park. They don't want me to pull up a Cressida. It might not be a number 7 MRI. It's not a TOYOTA Cressida S, Rafik. Listen to that thing sing. I really want to open the windows, but I can't because if it's after shoot, I'll open the windows and you can hear this 2.8 sing for you guys. Yo. Not even pedal fret, I'm just cruising, but guys, all I can say is I love cars with all my heart. I'm just very, very excited, man. 2.8. I know majority of this video I'm going to be saying 2.8. Maralita say 2.8. I hope this dirty road doesn't make this car dirty, man. And we'll get like cheese. I'm gonna first way hard. I'm gonna first way tell me. This is the road that I'm looking for. It is. Ionic poles, Joe. And that's uphill. Just to make you guys hear the pipe, since this is a nice, cold, quiet road. Listen. 2.8 they were fit. Nah, this thing sounds so nice and it drives so lovely too. Trust me, you are fit too. If you're interested, buy this car, it's worth it.